Can you create a variable of string data type and compile it? You can do this thanks to the compile function. In this video you will learn how the compile function works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I send the string containing the code, a file name and parameters for the operating mode to the compile function. I send the variable I created to the exec function. This way, I can run the Python code on the string object. You can send different operating modes to the compile function. For example, let's test the single operating mode. Single mode has only one interactive expression. This code will work. Evil mode can only execute a single statement. This code will work. I will create a different code. I create two variables. I collect the variables and print them to the screen. We cannot run this code with evil mode, because the code string contains more than one line. We cannot run this code in single mode for the same reason. We can run this code only with exec mode. The sum of the two variables is printed as 8. Let's do a different example. I will receive an input from the user. Input value will be integer data type. I create another variable. I add the two variables and print them to the console. The total of the values is displayed on the screen. In this video, we learned how the compile function works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.